everyone, Allison Berger here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Drybar's Detox Dry Shampoo to make you go another day without having to wash your hair. If you like this video and want to purchase this product for yourself, please do so through my Macy's storefront, which you can find the link below in the description box. By purchasing this product through my Macy's storefront, you support me and my channel and helping me create more videos and how-tos like this. So let's get started. This is Drybar's Detox Dry Shampoo. It will absorb any oil or grease that you have in your hair to give you a fresh look to your hair, add some volume, and save you from having to wash your hair another day. So go ahead and shake the bottle before you go to use it. Now, I like to kind of get under, you're supposed to spray in the roots, but I like to kind of get under where my natural part is. So I'm gonna flip my hair, and you wanna spray it about 4 to 6 inches away from your scalp and give it a nice spray, and you're gonna want that to dry. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip and go to the other side and do another spray like that, and flip back to your natural part. Make sure you get it to dry a little bit. You could already see my hair has been a little extra volumized, but I like to do a little tousle. And this will be good if you get a blowout and you want it to last another day. You just add some dry shampoo and it makes your hair fresh and voluminous. I mean, just look at that. It's like you would never know. I may have washed my hair the last time a few days ago. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to purchase Drybar's Detox Dry Shampoo for yourself and your long locks or any hairstyle you're working with, be sure to click the link below to my Macy's storefront. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun sized.